To mark a part using the Express Text feature, use the arrow keys to position the marking pin over the area of the part you wish to mark. Pressing the arrow keys will flip the LCD screen into a convenient XY position readout. On your keyboard, simply press F1, enter the text you wish to print, and press Enter. The character height setting will default to the previously used character height. To change it, simply type in the new height value and press Enter. The job is now loaded into the machine. Press Start on the machine keypad and the part will be marked with your text. To run additional parts, simply change out the part and press Start again. Press Escape to return to the main menu.